Most people make these money mistakes in your 20s without even realizing it. The decisions you make today could cost you thousands of dollars in the future. These 3 habits trap millions of young adults before they even realize what's happening. Let's break them down one by one so you can stay ahead. Your 20s are your greatest financial advantage because time can grow your money faster than almost anything else. Wasting these years is one of the biggest mistakes you can make. Your 20s are your greatest financial advantage because time can grow your money faster than almost anything else. Wasting these years is one of the biggest mistakes you can make. Buying things you don't truly need might feel good for a moment, but small daily purchases can quietly destroy your long-term financial goals. Credit cards are powerful tools when used responsibly, but carrying unpaid balances can quickly become one of the most expensive financial mistakes. Many people forget about small monthly subscriptions, but together they can quietly drain hundreds or even thousands of dollars every year. Life is unpredictable. A simple emergency fund can protect you from unexpected bills, job loss, or financial stress before they become overwhelming. Waiting too long to start investing is one of the costliest mistakes because time allows compound growth to work in your favor. A simple budget isn't about limiting your life. It's about giving every dollar a purpose so your money works for you instead of disappearing. Now that you know the biggest mistakes, it's time to learn the simple habits that can completely transform your financial future. Let's build smarter money habits together. Your first financial goal should be building an emergency fund. Even a few months of savings can protect you from unexpected expenses and keep you. A simple budget gives every dollar a job. Spend on your needs, enjoy some wants, and always make saving a priority. The earlier you invest, the longer compound growth works for you. Time is one of the most powerful tools for building wealth. Big financial success comes from small daily habits. Stay consistent, follow your plan, and celebrate every milestone along the way. Automating your savings removes temptation and helps you build wealth without thinking about it every single month. Building wealth doesn't happen overnight. Consistency, patience, and smart financial choices create results that last for decades. Every financial decision moves you in one direction or the other. Choose the habits today that your future self will thank you for.
Financial freedom isn't a lucky break. It's taking one smart step after another. Your 20s are the perfect time to build the foundation for the life you truly want. Every smart decision today creates more. Avoid these common money mistakes, stay consistent with smart financial habits, and remember that every financial journey begins with a single wise decision.